Good day, grade 7 learners. Welcome to Bamboo Telescuela. This is your school on air in Science 7. I am Teacher Maureen from Schools Division of Cauayan City. Before we start, make sure that you are in a comfortable place so that you can completely hear me over the radio and see me on the TV screen. You may now get your module in Science 7, your notebook, and pen. And tune in to DWDY AM radio or CMD cable channel 11 in your TV set. We are also streaming live at SDO Cauayan Facebook page. Our lesson for today is describing the different levels of biological organization, from cell to biosphere.
The Philippines is a very beautiful country, comprising of various materials in its environment. The country is inhabitants of diverse kinds of living things, thriving in different types of habitats. There are different materials in the environment. There are also diverse kinds of living things. These living things are made up of different structures. These structures are formed from the grouping together of parts whose functions are related. There are 13 levels of organization in sequence. They are represented as atoms, molecules, organelles, cells, tissues, organs, organ systems, organisms, population, community, ecosystem, biome, and biosphere. Take note that at the end of the lesson, you are expected to describe the different levels of biological organization from cell to biosphere. Biological organization of life. A cell is the smallest independently functioning unit in the structure of an organism. Picture number 1, the plant cell, and picture number 2, the animal cell. When large numbers of cells that are similar in form and function together, it is called tissue. The 4 basic types of tissue are muscle tissues, nerve tissues, epithelial tissues, connective tissues. When similar tissues arrange and group together to perform a specific function, it will form into organ. Organ is a complete and independent part of a plant or animal that has a specific function. Example of organs: heart, kidney, brain, lungs. Organ system is a group of organs that work together to carry out its functions. It is made up of organs that have related function and are grouped together as a unit. Some organ systems in the body are nervous system, respiratory system, digestive system, skeletal system, and muscular system. Organism is the highest level of organization in the living world, made up of coordinated organ system. It is functioning system of interdependent parts that resembles a living things. Examples of organisms: cat, dog, chicken, carabao, human. Same type of organism living together in an area, it is called population. Example of population: school of fish, population of human, and group of chicken. When several populations living together with interaction, it is called community. Examples of community are underwater, group of domesticated animals, garden, and farm. Ecosystem is a localized group of interdependent organisms together with the environment that they inhabit and depend on. Examples of ecosystem vegetable garden, grassland, river, cornfield, and pond. Biome is also known as life zones. All plants, animals, and other organisms, as well as the physical environment in a particular area. Example, tropical rainforest, temperate forest, and grassland. Biosphere is the Earth's zone of air, soil, and water that is capable of supporting life.
Now, it's time to test yourself through an activity found on your Module 1, Science 7. You can do it after this video lesson. Read comprehensively and choose the correct answer. You may write your answers on a separate sheet. You may check your answers by looking at the answer key, which can be found at the last page of your module. If there are questions and clarifications, don't hesitate to ask your science teacher through phone calls, text, chat, or messenger, or any platform available. You can drop your outputs to the designated area in your barangay with each scheduled retrieval. That's our lesson today. It has been a great day of learning. Again, I am Teacher Maureen D. Bulusan, your teacher on air in Science 7. Only here on DWDY-AM, CMD Cable TV, Channel 11, same time every Wednesday. Always remember that education must continue amid COVID-19. And reminding you of the 3 W's. Wear your mask, wash your hands, and watch distance. Keep safe, everyone. God bless.